So I think there have been phases of my life where the shit has really hit the ceiling. Right? And when the shit hits the ceiling,
You think?
it forces me to think कि बहनचोद मतलब जिंदगी का पर्पस यही है क्या? मतलब शादी कर ली, बच्चे हो गए, नौकरी कर रहे हो, 9 से 6 ट्रैफिक में गाड़ मरा रहे हो, राइट? ऑफिस जा रहे हो, पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हो, जो भी तुम्हारा टारगेट है उसके पीछे भाग रहे हो कुत्तों की तरह, राइट? और फिर भी at the end of the day there's something within you that doesn't feel satisfied, that doesn't feel content, right? Having achieved all of that, if you look at by the definition of like you said, right, that we are the top 3% of the population in India, right? So we have been very blessed in that sense, right? अभी जैसे ये भी बोल रहे थे, that is we are very blessed, right? कोई लाइफ में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अच्छी जगह रहते हैं, पैसा भी ठीक ठाक है, बच्चे भी सही चल रहे हैं, सब बढ़िया हो रहा है. But there is this nagging,
Is this what we are
feeling
meant
at the back of your head, and when you go through these tough phases, that feeling just becomes very prominent, right? Saying कि मतलब कि is this it? That's basically what you're born for, or is there something more to it, right? So that's the trigger point for me to sort of try to find some answers in that direction. But those questions led me into a spiritual path, and that is a whole another rabbit hole, right? So I don't have an answer. I have not been able to find an answer so far, right? Well, I have explored both the theories. One which is saying that your destiny is completely written, right? Every breath is basically predetermined. And the other theory, which is extremely scientific in nature, which is saying, boss, it is all essentially a beautiful coming together of random events, right? So दोनों साइड पे मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया है, बट मेरे को दोनों साइड पे कन्विंसिंग आंसर नहीं मिला अभी तक. आई हैव नॉट गॉट अ आंसर दैट आई एम सैटिस्फाइड विद.
So, when you started off, like you wanted a life, this kind of life. You wanted a job, travel, have a family, kids, corporate success. Have you ever asked yourself, is that what I really wanted, or is that what I told I should want?
Yes, I have asked that question myself.
Yeah.
But I think now,
so is it truly your decision to go after them, or it was almost like somebody had already told you need to go that way?
Yeah, a lot of social conditioning, lot of forces, lot of societal forces sort of triggering the inflection point in your journeys. Peer pressure, right? कॉर्पोरेट में घुसे, नौकरी करना शुरू किया, तुम्हारा दोस्त प्रमोट हो गया तो मुझे भी होना है, उसने गाड़ी लिया तो मुझे भी लेना है, उसका सैलरी बढ़ गया तो मेरा भी बढ़ना चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए ये नहीं पता, उसका हो रहा है मेरा भी होना चाहिए, बस इतना पता है, राइट? क्योंकि मेरे साथ वाले का हो रहा है तो मेरा भी होना चाहिए. सब शादी कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, राइट? वो शादी कर ली, 4 साल बाद सबके बच्चे होते हैं तो हमारे भी होने चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए बच्चे ये नहीं पता, राइट? सो अब तक तो बहुत कुछ लाइफ में ऐसे ही हुआ है, दूसरों को देख देख के, पीयर प्रेशर, सोसाइटी में थे, जो भी कंडीशनिंग आपको दी गई, राइट? बट या उसके बाद जब ये टाइम आया जिसको हम इन द पॉप कल्चर वी से मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस, that's what this stage of life is basically forcing me to reflect on all the good and bad things that have happened in life so far, and sort of trying to say, is this what I really wanted, or are these things that happened to me, right? But the funny part is that I've tried answering the question, what is that I really want? Pata nahi, I don't know whether it's now 25 years of conditioning that I've been going through, but I'm not finding an easy answer.
It's a tough one to answer.
मतलब कभी सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ मुझे पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए, बट when you start deeply thinking about it, आंसर मिलता ही नहीं है यार.
Partly because you never asked ourselves what do you want, right? You're
Quite
always told what you want.
Quite likely.